Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over SoundCloud. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I want to go over how to monetize your music on SoundCloud, SoundCloud's new royalty system, the Fan Powered Royalties, and I want to go over the requirements for getting your music monetized on SoundCloud. Now, SoundCloud this year has released a new royalty system called Fan Powered Royalties, where you get paid based on your dedicated fans' listening habits. So what that means, if you have fans that follow you on SoundCloud, that listen to your music more than they listen to any other artist, you will receive more money from those fans who listen to your music more than any other artist. If you don't know how the current music streaming royalties work on platforms like Apple Music and Spotify, it works by a streaming pool, meaning that all of the AdSense revenue, all of the subscription revenue is pooled together and is paid out based on the individual artist's percentage of streams in the total pool, right? So you as an independent artist are going against major artists such as Lil Baby, and you also going against local artists in your city for royalty streams, right? When it's the royalty pool structure. With the Fan Powered Royalties, you have a group of fans that listen to your music solely, you will receive more money from those fans than the fans that just listen to one or two of your songs throughout the month. This is a new payment system with SoundCloud, and I think it's a good payment system in the grand scheme of things once you start promoting more on SoundCloud. In order to monetize on SoundCloud, you have to be an independent creator, all original music, 0 copyright strikes. You must use a SoundCloud Pro or a limited subscriber account. You must have at least 500 streams in the past month. Monetizable streams must come from one of the listed countries, so it got to come from one of the major countries. We know I have a list in the description, and humans listening to your tracks, right? If you're eligible, you'll receive an email. You must meet the minimum age requirements of 18 years old, right, in order to get paid. And you have to have a PayPal account in order to get paid. Now, when you upload a song on SoundCloud, right, this is the screen you'll get to, and once you upload the song, it'll turn into this, right? And to monetize your track on SoundCloud, you'll see it across the top, right? If you don't see this across the top, you're not able to monetize your SoundCloud song. So make sure you have a SoundCloud Pro or Pro Unlimited account. Make sure you're eligible and you meet all of the requirements, and then you will be able to monetize your music on SoundCloud. Now, in order to monetize your music, first you want to enter in all of the basic info. You want to go over the metadata and the ISRC code. You want to create an ISRC code for the track if it's not already on Apple Music and Spotify, right? If it's already on Apple Music and Spotify, you don't need to enter in, you don't need to create the ISRC for this track. You can just enter in the ISRC from your music distribution service, right? Next, you would just go to monetization, and here you would be able to select monetize for all of the countries, and these are all the monetizable countries. You know, y'all can see Denmark, Finland, France, Germany. So make sure your streams are coming from one of these places: United Kingdom, United States. Then you can start monetization, or you don't have to select start monetization. Hold on. Metadata. Make sure you enter in your artist name. And we're gonna save that. And we now have our track released and monetized. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. If y'all have any questions on SoundCloud, feel free to leave a comment. Y'all can always send me an email at info@yonworld.org. That's the best way to reach me. Also, if y'all need help promoting y'all music on SoundCloud, I offer reposts and streams for SoundCloud on my digital marketing order form. So feel free to check that out. I appreciate all of the support. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.